Good morning children, welcome to your GK class. So today we will be doing some exercises again from your GK book. Get ready with your book Know and Grow with Derek. So today we are doing chapter number 1, India, our country, and the subtopic is Bharat Ratna and other awards. Here you can see a picture of Bharat Ratna. This is how it looks from the front side, and this is Bharat Ratna award from the reverse side. So Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. So let's get started, but before that let's see something. Now here we see a picture of some famous personalities. He is Dr. Radhakrishnan, this is Amartya Sen, and here he is Nelson Mandela and Sri K. Kamraj, and this is Rajiv Gandhi. And all of them have a common thing in between, that they are all the awardees of Bharat Ratna. So today we are going to solve the exercises on Bharat Ratna and other awards. So let's get started, children. The Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of our country. It is given for exceptional contribution to public service and exceptional work in fields such as arts, literature, and science. In 2019, the recipients were former President Pranab Mukherjee, late Assamese singer Bhupen Hazarika, and late social activist Nanaji Deshmukh. So, we are going to complete this crossword on famous Bharat Ratna awardees. A cross. So here you see the puzzle is a cross. So when it's a cross, you will be solving it across, and when it's down, you will be solving it downwards. So let's get started. Across first. Number 3 won Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. He is Amartya Sen. Number 5, a respected physician and freedom fighter, served as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for 14 years. So he is B.C. Roy. Next, number 9, architect of Indian Constitution, Ambedkar. So number 10, a famous sitarist, set the music for Sare Jahan Se Acha. So this is Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ravi Shankar. So you will write here. Now we are coming downwards. Now we will start the puzzle downwards. First name, Nelson. He fought against apartheid in South Africa. Who was he? He was Mandela, Nelson Mandela. Number 2, a former president of India whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day, Radhakrishnan. So this is Radhakrishnan, downwards, this one. Number 4, youngest Prime Minister of India, also a pilot. So he is Rajiv Gandhi, Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. Number 6, awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. So he was C.V. Raman. So C.V. Raman is here. Now next, number 7, first to receive commercial pilot's license and a legendary businessman. He was J.R.D. Tata. So J.R.D. Tata will be here. Number 8, known as Gandhi of the South, awarded Bharat Ratna in 1976. He is K. Kamraj. So this way we solve all the puzzle across and down. So let's do the next page. Taste of India. So this is also related to our country, India. We all love food. Different states and regions of India have their own unique recipes and style of cooking. Let us travel around the country and taste some mouth-watering delicacies. So here are some delicacies. By reading that, we are to identify the state. Number 1, let us drop into this tiny seaside state and enjoy some sanas, sorpotel, pork preparation in vinegar, and a sweet dish called bebinka. So these are the names of some dishes: sanas, sorpotel, and bebinka. And which state is it? It is from Goa. Here you can see the picture of bebinka. This is Goan potato bebinka. And here is another picture of sanas, Goan sanas. This looks like idli, very much like idli. And the last one is the pork preparation in vinegar, sorpotel. So these all dishes, they come from the state Goa. Next one. Number 2. Our next stop is God's own country. Here we relish a delicious meal of appan and cozy rachi, a coconut based chicken curry. So a coconut based chicken curry, you can see. After that we enjoy a generous helping of payasam. So payasam is generally a dessert, a sweet dish. So this is from the state Kerala, Kerala. Okay. So now we move on to the next question, number 3. From the south, let's travel to the land of Shivaji, where we enjoy eating dishes like puran poli, a roti stuffed with sweet filling. So this is puran poli, you can see. So this is puran poli, you can see. And junka bakri with thecha and kolhapuri pandra rasa. So this is from the state Kashmir. So you'll write Kashmir over there. Now we move on to the next number. Number 4. It's Navratri and we are invited for sumptuous meal of Wagharela bhat and khatta mak, followed by a sweet dish called Mohan Thal. So these names are from the state Gujarat. So this dishes, delicacies are from Gujarat. So here you can see a picture of Gujarati khatta mak. So this looks like, this is Gujarati khatta mak. And then we have got another sweet dish from Gujarat, that is Mohan Thal. So this is a sweet dish. You can see Mohan Thal over here. So now we move on to number 5. So these all pictures which I have shown, that is all the delicacies of Gujarat. Number 5. Off to this northeastern state, where we order jatti lao tenga anza, fish curry with rich gourd, and potato pitika. To satisfy our sweet tooth, we enjoy a bowl of kamalar payesh. So at last we enjoy a dessert. Now this is, all these delicacies are coming from a northeastern state, and usually I have shown only one picture out here. You can see a potato pitika. It is a mashed potato. So this is known as potato pitika and it comes from the state Assam. So these are the delicacies of Assam. Number 6. This North Indian state is known for its tandoori murg, sarson da saag, and makki di roti. Here you can see sarson da saag. You can see here sarson da saag and makki di roti out here, and tandoori murg being served here. And these are all the delicacies from Punjab. So please write down Punjab in number 6. Now number 7, children. Back down south we have muli ghatwani soup, a dish made of red lentils and black peppercorns, chettinad chicken, and paniyaram, that is sweet idli. So we have got so many items, all of a different names, and these are coming from all from the south. So this is usually all the delicacies of the state Tamil Nadu. So please write down Tamil Nadu. Now the last one, children. After this we sit down for a meal of amrud ki sabji, panchmela ki dal, and lal mas with a decent helping of gatta pulao. So this is the delicacy of Rajasthan. So this is Rajasthan. Number 8 will be Rajasthan, children. So please write down. So this much only, children, for today. We have done 2 pages, 2 exercises. So this much for today, children. Next day we'll continue with other pages. Thank you so much, children. Thank you very much.